I'm here.
But you're not in the camera.
I was busy sleuthing. I got it right though.
Yes.
Merry Vlogmas!
Yeah.
Welcome today.
It must be Vlogmas. We put up a Christmas tree.
Yay!
Ooh.
We are on day 16 for you. I'm getting a little confused now. But we've just sleuthed. We sleuthed. And we had to ring somebody.
Yeah.
And we hung up halfway through because we hadn't solved the clue. So we rang them back and he was like, oh, you again. That was brilliant.
Yeah, it was very clever.
That was very clever. I had no idea how to do that. We're very clever.
But we got it right
We
first
did.
time.
And this is interesting.
I like that one.
Yeah, it says, oh, my hair
That's
hurts.
a bit dodgy.
It's gonna.
Why they had to put hairs on him, I don't know.
Hairy feet.
Well,
Hairy
yeah,
legs.
Yeah.
And feet.
Yes. It's going to be an interesting one. But let's do mums. So 16 you're looking for?
16. 17. 25. 16!
Woohoo!
Yay!
What have you got today?
Oh, more yellow. Gold.
Oh, gold.
Gold.
Yeah, that was part of the seascape one. I think that's sand.
Oh, right.
And a dark green.
Lovely dark green.
Yes.
I could have done with some dark green. No, I haven't.
Okay, my turn.
Strike the pose, Jane. Strike the pose.
Oh, I can see it.
Yay!
Technically, you don't need to get in there, but I can see it. But yes, 16. Ooh. Oh, I think it's another applique of some description. Father, shepherd's crook. They want to see you.
Me?
Yes, you. Ooh, I've dressed appropriately.
Oh, you are, yeah. Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Is that stretchy?
No, it's like wired ribbon.
Oh, right, yeah.
That is really pretty. I probably would put that on a bag, I think, because it's wired. I like that very much, thank you. And I do have some silk dupionis left with little scraps of them that I want to make a bag from, so this would be great for that. Thank you very much, Rachel. So I was saying yesterday that must make noise. It's like a toddler.
Eat.
So I was saying yesterday I'm going to come back down and finish the t-shirts and the dress, but we're decorating the tree today. I'd forgotten.
We're halfway.
So we've put the tree up, got the lights on, got our equivalent of
without a
tinsel on.
crossword.
Yes.
Because I was zipped it.
Good.
Yeah.
And we've started putting the baubles on, but we're going to take you back up and I'll set you up on a time lapse so you can just see us finish the tree.
Yeah.
And then I will come back down here and get on with some more t-shirt sewing. So
You know, you bought 960 lights.
yeah, they're not enough.
It didn't go it didn't go nowhere. No.
We should have got the bigger one.
But I'm not
But
using last year's.
14.5 metres seemed excessive. 10 metres seems like it should have been enough.
No.
Yeah, but you're good.
Actually,
But
I
you
think
should go up and down. You shouldn't go around.
We go around, you see. Sean says we should go up.
Ooh.
I said, well, that's one way.
after the event.
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't consulted. I was editing.
You were horizontal.
I was editing. I've been editing
right.
since 8
Okay.
a.m. Rude. And he's going now, so yeah, we're going to go and decorate these and hopefully not kill each other.
Yeah.
Who knew that you could get a rebellious Alexa? Slightly worrying.
Yeah. Good thing we're polite.
We've welcomed a rebellious Alexa into our house. This is worrying. This is very worrying. The tree is complete. Okay, the tree has been decorated and is looking beautiful. We've sorted out the Christmas tree lights so that they are controlled by Alexa, although the new Alexa I bought for the front room is being rebellious and not listening. The one in the kitchen keeps answering and she's miles away, so yeah. Not sure what's going to go on with that, but never mind, we'll work it out, it'll be fine. So back down here, and I'm going to work through the 2 t-shirts that I've still got left to do, the Adrian and the Paola t-shirt, and then I might start on the dress if I have enough time this afternoon. But I'm definitely taking things very slowly today. I'm not going to be doing any filming for tomorrow's video because I think tomorrow's video is going to end up being Saturday's video, because I'm going to do the filming for that in the morning. I think that would be sensible. We shall see. So yeah, let's get on and get the Adrian done first, only because that's on the top of the pile.
A few moments later.
I can't remember if I told you guys or not, but I ordered a mystery hoodie in the Philip DeFranco birthday sale that he did just after Black Friday. So basically you could choose a category, and I went for cropped women's hoodie, and then you just put in the size and then you got what you got, and it was half the price, so it's $40. This is the one that I got. It's so appropriate. I actually don't remember them releasing this one, but it's perfectly cropped. This is a size medium. It's really cute, and it's cream or ivory, so it's perfect for my colours as well. So yeah, quite pleased with that. I used to support DeFranco on Patreon, but I wasn't really using the benefits that came from the Patreon. I wasn't watching the behind the scenes shows or chatting on the Discord or any of those kinds of things, so I stopped doing that. I mean, obviously this is a piece of merchandise, so this has cost them money as well, but it was just a way of supporting one of my favourite creators in a way that worked for me and hopefully for them as well. So yeah, very pleased with this, very pleased with this indeed. Right, t-shirt time.
2 hours later.
Okay, so this one has not come out as I expected it to. I sewed this with a much larger seam allowance, and it's just still grown, and grown massively, and it actually doesn't feel that nice either. So yeah, I don't think this one is a success, and I don't think I will be keeping this one at all because it's making my skin crawl, which is not great. But never mind, at least I tried. And this fabric was an inexpensive cut from Lady McElroy. It was one of their remnants, and it was in the half price remnants sale at the end of last year. So it wasn't an expensive piece of fabric, but no, I don't like, and I just don't like the feel of it. I really don't like the feel of it. It's making my skin crawl. So I'm gonna get this one off, but I have also finished the Adrian in the velvet. Fingers crossed that one's better because I haven't tried that one yet either. 2 secs. This one is so much better. Thank goodness for that. The cuffs do feel a little weird because the velvet is kind of going back on itself on the inside. That feels a little odd. Yeah, other than that, this looks awesome. I'm really pleased with this one. And it was just I bought 5 meters of this velvet when I bought it from the textile centre many moons ago, and as you guys know, I've made a Victory Patterns Jackie dress with this one, and I love that dress. I just happen to have enough left of this fabric to get this t-shirt out. I have got a fairly decent chunk left. If I was to colour block a sweatshirt, it could do like a front and a back panel in what I've got left of this. Yeah, I like this. I think this is nice. I really love these sleeves, and I love these sleeves into these really long cuffs. I can't remember which pattern I stole these from. What pattern did I steal these from? I did steal them from a pattern. The cuffs from the 8145 would work quite well. I think it might have been that actually, and then I just elongated them, made them fit around my wrist as well. With the Adrian tee, I have also lowered the front by 1 inch, so the back is higher than the front, and again, that's just personal preference. The other ones that I've done that are exactly the same as the pattern, they're just a little bit high across here for me, so yeah, just lowered it by 1 inch. But I think this has worked out really well, so yay for one success. And then that stripy one was an utter fail. The fabric, it's really weird because obviously because it's so ribbed and so stretchy, I was really careful when I was cutting it out not to stretch anything out, and like I say, I sewed it with a larger seam allowance than the pattern calls for, and it's still stretched out of all kind of shapes. So I've clearly just not, it's the first time working with a fabric that is that ribbed, that isn't just for a cuff or things like that. So yeah, not a fan, but never mind. Like, it also, like I say, it doesn't feel great. It feels really like bleh on, whereas this one, even though this one is polyester, this one doesn't feel bleh on. So that's, you know, there's that as well. I'm glad I tried it, but no, not for me. This I think is one of my colours. I like navy. I like navy on me. You know, like I did say, I'm not going to stop wearing colours that I love just because they're not technically in my season, and there's different ways of wearing different things. As Nicola said, you know, just be strategic about where you place it and how you kind of frame your face with different colours, and I think this expanse and low scoop neckline works quite well. Yay for one win and one fail. I still have the dress left to do, and then obviously the Ride Your Bumble jacket when the ribbing, when the zip finally arrives, I can get that finished. But I, fingers crossed, might be able to actually get to the pyjamas and the 9076 as well before Christmas, which would be awesome. I think I'm going to call it a night. I'm just about to finish watching Star Trek Discovery. I powered my way through in 2 days, very much enjoying it. Can't believe it's taken me this long to find season 4, but there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed today. I will see you all tomorrow for more calendar goodness. Fingers crossed our disobedient Alexa hasn't taken over the household overnight and we can get her to actually do what she's meant to do. Fingers crossed. So I hope you've enjoyed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.